So he's still alive. And it's been like, oh shit, he can get out of this hole. Terminex was here today and they sprayed for crickets. However, this freaking nasty monster is not a cricket. Look at how big he is. Oh shit, where is he? Gonna get out. So damn gross. See, they run fast. I almost couldn't catch this dude. Anyway, after I've vacuumed that much dirt off of my carpet, I'm afraid to dump him. But here goes. Shit. Get off! Anyway, he's gone. Ugh. Now everywhere I go, I keep feeling like he's on my feet.